Hi, in this screencast I'm going to share with you the progress in Papermerge 2.1 development. The screencast is divided in two parts. In the first part, this one, I will show you changes from user perspective. In the next one, I will illustrate major changes from developer standpoint, mostly related to the newly added REST API interface. Let's start. In previous video, I already presented the new dual panel concept. The basic idea is that with two panels you can easier move documents around. Let me show you. On the left side, I'm in folder inbox, and on the right side, I open the folder my receipts. Basically, to move a document from left panel to right panel, all we need to do is simply drag it from one panel to another. Let me try it again with another file. One of the frequently requested features is to skip OCR for specific documents. In final 2.1 release, there will be a configuration where you can enable or disable OCR for specific documents. But for this demo, OCR will be skipped for all documents. This means that I will need to trigger OCR manually. Let me show you what I mean. First, let me upload a couple of documents. You see this gray circle here? It indicates that OCR did not start for this document yet. I will open this document in another panel. If I click Run OCR, it will start the OCR process in background. Notice real-time status update of the document here and here. Once OCR is complete, the OCR status indicator will turn into green. Again, I want to highlight that in final release, you'll be able to change in preferences whether or not to perform OCR on specific document. Just for the sake of this demo, I configured Papermerge to skip OCR for all documents. The takeaway point here is that in Papermerge 2.1, you will be able to skip OCR for specific documents. One of the top feature requests is to add ability to download documents with OCR text layer. And this feature was implemented. Let me show you. I will upload this document to Papermerge. But before that, notice that the document is just a regular PDF scan, which means I cannot select text here. As you can see, I'm trying in vain to select some text. Basically, this document is just a scan in PDF format without text layer in it. Let me upload this scan to Papermerge, open it, and now pay attention to download button here. Now it has only one version for download, the original version of the document. I will trigger OCR. OCR will take some time. Okay, now OCR is complete. And now download button shows two versions, original document and version with OCR text layer. Let me download version with text layer. You see that now I'm able to select text here. This version of the document contains so-called OCR text overlay. Like all modern web applications, Papermerge 2.1 provides desktop-like user experience. This means there are no page reloads anymore. This is easier to demonstrate by comparing two versions side by side. On left side is new Papermerge version 2.1, which is in development right now. And on the right side is version 2.0, latest stable version. If I jump from home to tags, on this side there is no page reload, no flickering, and in general is hard to perceive any transition at all. While on this side you can clearly see a slow transition, which is basically full page reload. You can see more clearly these improvements when editing tags. On left side, application is very responsive, while on the right side all transitions are much slower. In this screencast, I showed you the preview of the most important features added in Papermerge 2.1, like dual panel mode, skip OCR for specific documents, download document with OCR text layer, and modern desktop-like user experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.